Latest research and development. 1. Ancient bird droppings reveal a hidden extinction crisis. Researchers have discovered that more than 80% of parasites detected in kakapo poo prior to the 1990s are no longer present in contemporary populations. 2. Scientists just recreated the universe's first molecule and solved a 13-billion-year-old puzzle. Researchers have discovered new insights into the reaction pathways of the first molecule in space. 3. Physicists harness light to control semiconductors in trillionths of a second. A peer-reviewed study reports the development of ultrafast modulation technology in nanoelectronics. 4. Concrete reinvented. AI simulates 4 billion atoms to build better materials. Imagine a future where buildings don't just stand the test of time, they actively fight climate change. 5. Dementia, depression, and the nuclear button, the shocking reality of mental decline in command. A startling new study reveals that many world leaders with access to nuclear weapons were suffering from serious health issues, including dementia, depression, strokes, and addiction, while still in power. Some were comatose, others deeply impaired, and in multiple cases, their conditions were deliberately concealed from the public. 6. Columbia scientists made a gel from yogurt that heals tissue, and it works. Scientists at Columbia Engineering have developed a bioactive, injectable healing gel derived from yogurt. 7. This tiny insect can slow its own aging. Could humans be next? Scientists have found that jewel wasps possess the ability to slow their biological rate of aging. 8. This surprising health duo is quietly destroying your memory. Feeling lonely can do more than dampen your mood. It may speed up how quickly your memory fades, especially if you are also struggling with hearing loss. 9. AI twins could help save the planet, but only if we fix them first. Scientists are turning to a surprising new ally in the fight against climate change: digital twins, smart, AI-powered replicas of real-world energy systems. 10. Earth is getting greener, but the oceans are losing life. From 2003 to 2021, Earth's ability to absorb carbon through photosynthesis increased, mostly thanks to land plants growing more vigorously in warming climates. 11. What was once a predictably frozen Arctic winter is now shockingly unrecognizable. They went to the Arctic for snow. They found rain and flowers. 12. Walking on two legs may have evolved in trees, not on the ground. New research on chimpanzees living in the open woodlands of Tanzania suggests that the story of how humans learn to walk on two legs may need a rewrite. 13. Deep-sea DNA breakthrough reveals hidden oceanic superhighway. A world-first study conducted by the museum's Victoria Research Institute has discovered that marine life in the cold, dark, and pressurized depths of the ocean is far more globally interconnected than scientists had previously believed. 14. Scientists have discovered a sixth sense that links the gut and brain in real time. A groundbreaking discovery from Duke University School of Medicine reveals a direct connection between the microbiome and the brain, shedding new light on the regulation of behavior and appetite. Thanks for watching this video.